Hey, what's up everybody? It's time to get back on the C10 and get serious and get some stuff done. We're gonna sand the doors, the door jambs, and the inside of the cab. We're gonna get that ready to accept some nice shiny black paint and see if we can't get that part of the process done. Y'all hang out with us. So it only takes a minute to make things a whole lot easier on yourself. So I just finished blocking this roof with a 180 for the final time. Fixing to put the final coat of primer on the roof. It's been hard to get straight. So anyway, we'll get this primed. We'll let it dry for a little while. We'll untape the vehicle. And we're ready to pop the doors off and start sanding the door jambs, the dash, the interior parts that we're going to paint. All right, we get to clean up again. Didn't I just do this? So if you guys have been following along, we've been doing this for about 12 weeks now. We finally got all our priming done. We got it straight. We got it where we wanted. It's time to prep this thing up and paint it. So we're gonna pull the doors off. We're gonna sand them down. On the inside, we're gonna do the jambs. We're gonna do the interior of the cab. We're gonna get all that done. Then we're gonna put the doors back on, take it down the road a spell, and put it in a real paint booth and do a good paint job on the outside. would have been a lot easier, just to blow everything apart, have it media blasted. This all would have been down to bare steel. Then we could have epoxied it and painted right on top of the epoxy, brought it up from there, and never would have had to put a sander on the door jambs. So we could have saved ourselves a lot of time. Anyway, we didn't. So let's get to sanding. All right, I think that's going to do it for this go-round. I want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed to the channel and has been watching the videos. If you have not subscribed by chance, come on and do so. We'd love to have you over here hanging out with us, watching these videos. Join us next time, and hopefully we'll get some black shiny stuff on this thing and keep this C10 moving ahead. See you next time.